Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset is not connecting or if it is acting glitchy, a hard reset is going to fix most of the issues. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can reset it properly for PS4, PS5 and even Xbox. So in order to hard reset it, first of all, you need to turn off your headset completely. Just make sure that it is not connected to any of the devices before starting the reset process. Now you are ready to perform the reset. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to press and hold the power button on your headset. After pressing the power button, you just have to basically wait and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding it until the LED turns off and then restarts or flashes. This indicates that the headset has been reset. After the reset, simply turn the headset back on, put it into the pairing mode and reconnect it to your PS4, PS5 or Xbox using the normal pairing method. This establishes a fresh connection as well. Afterwards, you can go to your console's audio settings and make sure that the headset is selected for both audio and chat, and you can also adjust the volumes from there. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.